At EPSCO, safety, diligence, and collaboration are the cornerstone of our operation. We've been blessed with a group of individuals who bring this mindset into industrial facilities every day.
I'm Lucas Bonin, and I am a field service engineer with EPSCO.
My name is Phil Hadia. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Electrical Power and Safety Company.
My name is Josh Miller. I'm a field service engineer for EPSCO, Electrical Power and Safety Company. The reason I do what I do is to help increase electrical safety, creating a culture of awareness, and to essentially help make sure everybody goes home every day.
I do what I do to provide a highest level of safety that can be offered in the market in order to bring people home. My name is Devin Hunt, and I am the South Central Technical Director Professional Engineer for EPSCO.
I do what I do because everybody needs to be informed with what their equipment is capable of doing, and just to keep everybody safe in the working process. I'm Nick Knobloch, and I'm a field service engineer at EPSCO.
My name is Dave Hernandez. I'm the technical director for the Northeast region. I'm also the engineer of record for the firm. I do what I do because I have a great deal of passion for the electrical power systems industry, as well as maintaining safety throughout the industry. I think bringing more people home is a huge gratifying factor in our job. We intend to bring everybody home from work.
Every job that we put our name on, we take that personal, and we want to make sure that we're putting a conscious effort forward to do the job correctly and safely to the best of our ability.
Diligence to me, in the most simplest sense, is a job well done, and that's something that EPSCO holds very dear.
The reason I do what I do at EPSCO is that at the end of the day, I really find it important to make a difference in people's lives. And the tools that we provide for them sometimes give them a new perspective on how they might do their jobs. So when they go home at the end of the day, they get to go home to their families, and making sure that all of that happens in the right sequence is just super important to me.
Diligence would be, to me, the persistence on completing a job with the client in mind, and doing it under a careful standard, so keeping our practices up to date and applied, as well as with the company's practices.
Safety to me is survival insurance. Us as humans, we're trying to sustain life, and really it's you investing effort and time and employment and funds into you sustaining that culture, that life.
Collaboration to me is the overall team effort that is going into the overall project, whether that be our engineering team or the customer or everyone in between. Everyone plays a part.
That's what I like working about here, is I'm not afraid to ask anybody if I need help on something, and I feel that's how everybody else is too. We really collaborate well, just by putting all of our heads together and figuring out a common solution for a problem.
For me, I mean, the core values are my values. The actual business discipline, the actual work that EPSCO does falls right in line with what I've always wanted to do as a practicing engineer. And in the industries I've worked, it's always been aligned with what we do at EPSCO.
Safety managers usually care about safety. They're usually looking for a company that cares about it as much as they do. And we do. We care about their employees just as much as they do. And we represent that from the way we drive to the way we work on electrical gear and everything in between. Safety is the cornerstone of what we do. Safety is how we start every day. Every project starts with safety for us. And we carry that mindset up to the completion.
EPSCO, Electrical Power and Safety Company. Safety, diligence, collaboration.